Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video from Upstate Garage. And in today's video, we just got the 86 back from paint. But before we get started, be sure to lightly tap the subscribe button down below. At 5,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. And as soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna reveal what it is, and we're gonna pick a winner and stuff like that. So subscribe down below and let's get started. This thing just came back from paint. It's been a few days already, and it actually already sat at the paint shop for a little bit. So it's a little filthy. Let's give it a wash to check out the real color of the paint. Make sure it looks good, everything like that. Show you guys how it looks like. So before we get started, let's give this thing a wash and let's get right into it. Alright guys, we just gave the car a fresh wash just to get the paint, just so you can see the paint and everything, so the car's not dirty and all. But you can't even tell what part was painted. Painted really good. You can see the whole reflection. I mean, no over or like nothing, just no runs in the paint. Maybe a little bit of orange peel right here. This is the fender we were gonna blend it on. Someone's doing a burnout. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Yeah. The hood was painted. This is the original color of the fender, but there was a blend on here, so I guess they kind of sprayed the paint over a little bit so it matches, but you can't even really tell. There is a little bit of orange peel right there. Nothing to worry about right there. You could buff that all out easily. Just sand it down and buff it back, buff the clear coat. Wow, that looks really good. I don't know. Y'all can't even tell right here either. So what happened here? I don't know if y'all remember, there was a big old dent right over here. Body man took care of that, sanded it down, put some putty on there, just smoothed it out and primed it. And then there was a blend. He already buffed it right here, I guess. There was a blend somewhere around right here because this part got painted. So he shot paint over here and then blended the clear somewhere over here, but I don't even know. It looks really good though. And fender right here, this was our brand new original fender we got from the dealership. Also got painted, as well as a blend on this door. So sprayed paint a little bit around right here and then shot clear the rest of the way, just so you can't tell actual like a dramatic difference. I mean, that's how you got to do it to make it right. But the whole car looks really good. Also, this little piece right here, we had to order that from the dealership. It also got painted, no runs or anything. I mean, man, this paint came out really good. I'm really happy about it. And yeah, oh, front bumper, let's go check on the front bumper and maybe pull the car over there to the garage. All right guys, we're gonna go start the car right now. Let's start the car and go up to the engine bay. We did install a few things just to make the car running and driving, so you can move it around and stuff like that. But yeah, it should start up right away. Everything starts up, no problem. I mean, we do got a whole Christmas tree on the dash. Check that out, a whole Christmas tree. But no big deal, let's go check out some stuff in the front. All right guys, so right here in the front, right here in the engine bay, we did install the intake for our sensor because the car wouldn't idle right. What else did we do? Also installed radiators and AC condenser. Radiator, we did put coolant in there, but for the condenser, we didn't connect it yet because this AC line's been chopped in half right there, so we're gonna have to replace it. And we got a whole wiring mess over there. I think it's for the lights and stuff. But yeah, let's go check out the front bumper in the garage. Just pull the car up over there and check it out. guys, so right here we got a front bumper right here, also painted really, really good. No runs, anything like that. I barely even got any orange peel, which is really good. Probably don't even got to buff this one. But yeah, that's the front bumper for the car. Everything got painted for it. A little cap we had to buy separately. It didn't come with the bumper when we bought it from the dealership, so about that got painted. Everything. I mean, this car's almost ready to get back together. We did install our radiators. The reinforcement bar is inside. Let's go check it out. Managed to get one from the junkyard, same black color, which is good. It should fit up just right. The frame wasn't messed up on it or anything, just the apron. That way. See if we can do it without messing anything up. Alright guys, yeah, everything fits up pretty good. I mean, just got to bolt it right up. There it goes, right there. Lines up with the holes on both sides, so that's good. I'll take it off. Alright guys, we also got a brand new front grille. It's like a two-piece cap or something. I don't know why they did that, because there's also a cap right here. It's on the same side. I guess it's how it works, but no big deal. We got both of those pieces. And those caps for the fog lights, we got both of those on the broken front bumper. So direct slap-on replacement. Alright guys, so this will conclude today's video. I'm really excited to start working on this thing. In the next video, we actually got all the parts to put this thing back together. And also, we got some work to do on the interior of the car. As you can see, look at this. Check that out. Both seat belts are completely locked up, and the steering wheel airbag is completely blown. So, next video, I'm gonna actually try to put one out next week. Take apart the interior, shut the seat belts out to get restored. Get a new airbag, take that old one off, and start putting the back. I mean, all these grills, everything's got to go back together. Lights will go back on. We're gonna try to put the whole car together in the next video, so stay tuned, subscribe, and check it out over there. We got some parts already on the way for the Q50, so subscribe down below. Remember, 5,000 subscribers doing a giveaway. Follow me on Instagram at Upstate Garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Before we end today's video, we are going to start doing a little bit of mods too, because this is the base model. We're trying to make it a little bit nicer, you know. So right here, we purchased ourselves a carbon fiber spoiler. Check that out. Real carbon weave. I'm telling you, this thing, I don't even know how much it weighs. Probably a couple grams, I don't know. It's really light, real carbon fiber. See how it looks on the car. I'm really excited. I'm not going to put it on just yet. That's for the later videos when we start modding it. But I'm starting to get some mods for the car. Let's check it out. Don't want to scratch the paint or anything. Wow. Check out that fitment. Both sides have the exact same gap. And right here, it's really flush, no weird gaps going on. Wow, just 3M tape, slap it on, and ready to go. Hopefully it doesn't fall off, you know. That looks so good, guys. All right, can't show too much. Got some more mods on the way. Subscribe down below, and peace out.